That was not bad at all. So yeah, that's why. Oh hi, it's me again. No, but seriously, it's the next day. Both stores that I went to yesterday did not have the original kombucha, but I went to my local co-op today and they actually did have it. I called, I was like, this is gonna sound weird, but do you guys have a scoby, like a kombucha starter? And the lady was like, no, but we have the original kombucha that you can use as a starter. And I was like, I like that. So I was just watching the video again. I just finished boiling my water. We're starting off with 2 cups of boiled water. I hope that this vessel that I'm trying to use to brew doesn't bust. It's glass, but like all glass is not created equal, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do 2 cups of boiling water, and then green tea is like lighter than black tea, ain't it? So I'm gonna, I don't know if I wanna do 2 or 3. I'm gonna do 3. Who gonna check me? I'm gonna do 3 green tea bags, and then I'm also gonna wait for that to steep for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and add in some organic cane sugar. You don't want your tea to be more than 90 degrees or else it can kill the scoby or kill the bacteria that can potentially make the scoby. I'm scared. I don't think this is 90 degrees. I don't want to stick my finger in there. Let me put some on here and stick my finger in that. Ooh, that's sweet. Here is how my scoby is looking. It looks so weird. These little ridgy things, like that was not there the other day. But I am going to lift this off. Can I just, yeah, I could just do that. I chipped this the very first day that I got it. Speed Racer. kombucha. Do it stink enough? I feel like it's good. Look at that scoby. Scober duber. I'm trying to say it like it's Scooby-Doo's name. So one person like tasted their starter tea. I don't really feel like I need to do that. Mainly because I'm scared. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to touch it, but I'm scared to like mess it up. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I was expecting it to feel. That's insane. Okay. Alright, okay. I am going to clean out my brewing vessel and then we're going to get started with the process. Right now, but it should flow back up. It's been pretty warm here lately and sometimes I will like not have the air on, so we'll see how long it takes for the second brew to happen. I'll holla at y'all, let's say in 3 days. Maybe in 3 days we'll see how it's smelling and how it's tasting. Hello! So we are at the final stage of the brewing process, which is the third fermentation. I went ahead and made some flavors already. I pureed a bunch of fruit, just like the combinations that I wanted. So right here we have a peach pineapple puree, and this is low-key a lot of flavoring. So I don't know, it's my first time doing it. Like, I got cut off, but anyways, yeah, like I don't know, it's my first time doing it, so I don't know how sweet I want it or what. That's why I have like a lot in here. Then I also have a strawberry pineapple one. Then, you know, when you're younger, not even younger, some people still do this, and you go to the store and you like go on the soda machine and you're like with all the flavors. That's basically what I did right here. So this has hibiscus simple syrup, peach puree, strawberry puree, and pineapple puree. We're gonna see how it tastes like. I guess it don't matter. That one has this is so much flavor in them. I don't know, y'all, it's my first time, so if I want it to be super sweet, I guess this will be great. I'm gonna see how these fill up, and then I have 2 more empty bottles left, and if these ones, like I still have a lot of kombucha left over, then I'll fill those bottles up with the leftover flavoring, but I just won't put as much in there. They always say to taste your tea to see if it's like as fermented as you want it, basically, but I am so scared. Y'all, I'm so scared. It's been fermenting for 7 days. I got really scared at first because I saw like little floaty thingies and there's like this blob right here, but I consulted with a kombucha expert, aka my mom's friend who made some good kombucha by herself, and she said that that was basically normal and it actually means that like my kombucha is healthy, so holla at me. But I'm just gonna take a little like this. I am so scared, y'all. Oh, okay. That was not bad at all. Okay, but it really wasn't bad though. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna pour this into there. I mean, it just tastes like tea. That's a little bit off. But I use green tea, so it's really, really light in flavoring. Oh Lord. Ah! So now that I have finished bottling all of my kombucha, I am going to put the lid on them, close them up, and then I'm gonna put them inside this cooler that I got from Walmart. Coolers are expensive, y'all, bottom line. And I don't wanna buy a styrofoam one, so I actually found this one and it's reusable, but it's also biodegradable. I said, sound like it's for me. So I'm gonna put them in there and then I will be checking in on them every couple of days. Not every couple of days. I'm hoping that this fermentation stage will only take about 3 days. We're just looking for bubbles. We're done fermenting basically. Or we're done like hardcore fermenting. We're looking for bubbles. We're trying to get carbonation. Some people say that this process takes 3 days. Others say more. It really depends on how hot it is in my house and a couple of other factors. So I'm just gonna be checking in and burping them. Burping is just, I'm gonna be releasing this seal, but keeping it inside the vessel just in case they bust, because I don't need that in my life. crazy person outside on my back porch. It is day 3. It is day 3 of second fermentation. I feel like these are about to wild out. This is the last day that I'm doing of carbonation because I'm quite sure they're ready. So yeah, that's why.